literally on the hunt for I just want to sort of, oh sorry, I'm just trying to park. Hold on a second. Yeah, I'm just looking for my, I don't even have to, no, I wouldn't say cookware. Guys, give me a word for it. Put it in the comments. I don't know the word I'm looking for, but I'm on the hunt for like stylish mugs and stuff, glasses, you know, for your iced coffees and so on. I'm looking for a specific type. I want like the transparent mug or glass, or like a gold ceramic handle. Do you get my drift? I don't know where to go to look for them. To be honest, I'm on the verge of literally reorganizing literally my whole life. Like, I want to start organizing the house. I want everything to be in organizers, everything to be in storages, nothing out at all, everything put away, so the house looks a lot more neater, you know, because, you know, when you have 3 children, the house is hard to you know, to maintain sometimes. I'm sure a lot of you can vouch for that. I clean up, within a few minutes it's messy again. So what I want to do is just like get storages for literally every single thing around the house. So from kitchen, have storages, sort out my pantry, like have pantry and organizers labeled, everything, like the whole shebang. Living room, my living room is okay. Don't need storage for living room, and then for the kids' bedrooms, for their toys and that. Yeah, and cookware. I want to like revamp my cookware. I feel like my cookware is just so outdated. Like, I want everything to coordinate in the kitchen. I want to go for like a bamboo sort of kitchen style, boho for the kitchen. So like a lot of greenery and bamboo sort of vibe, with a hint of white as well. I think that would look so good. So yeah, I'm literally on the verge of transforming my whole entire life, basically. And I will not feel satisfied and good until it's all completed. So I'm gonna try and look for this glass. The specific glass that I'm looking for. I want to try it out. I know I'll find it. It's just where. Right now I'm at Asda George, because some of their like the cookware, like the homeware is really nice. I'm gonna have a look there. Sainsbury's, I don't know if there's Sainsbury's around here. I'll have a look at Asda today, and then maybe TK Maxx, because I'm near TK Maxx as well. And then from there I'll just head home. I'm so hungry, so I might just pick up a quick bite at the Asda food court, and yeah. Okay, so I've seen a Russell Hobbs microwave, which is exactly the colour theme I was going for the kitchen, the bamboo black and white. So that is not bad. They've got a white one as well, white and bamboo. Ooh, I think I like this one. What do you guys think? Help me out please, the black one or the white? So they have some pantry containers here, but I think I prefer the clear container with the bamboo lid. So I think I'll have to get that online because I haven't seen them in the shops. Okay, so these are all the mugs that they have. I haven't seen the glass one that I'm looking for. So yeah, so I wanted something like this. But then with a gold handle. But for now, this will actually do. I actually like this one, and I like this one as well. This one is kind of cute as well. So this is something that I'm looking for. Guys, if you've seen any like this with a gold handle, please let me know. But in the meantime, I might just grab one of these clear ones, or a few of them. Okay, so I'm back home from the shopping. So from Asda, I just got some more toast, just got some lemons. I've got sweet and tangy honey and mustard dressing. So I'm going to do a salad. So I got these mild and tender baby leaf, cucumber. I've already got some tomatoes in the fridge, so I'm going to do a salad with that. I just picked up some snacks for Jeremiah, and I'm so excited about these. I picked up some of my favorite childhood storybooks that I'm going to read with the children. A Very Hungry Caterpillar. Oh my gosh, like I used to love this story book growing up. I can't wait to read it with the kids tonight. I got them that one. Another one of my favorites, The Tiger Who Came to Tea. Another one of my favorites. And my favorite of all, Elmer the Elephant. Who's read this story? If you have, please comment down below. This is my favorite book. So I'm going to be reading these with the kids tonight. So I got that. And then obviously I got my glass. I'm going to have my iced coffee in that soon. And then from M&S, I got my iced coffee latte, which is gorge. I've got some ice cubes to go with that. I've put it in the freezer already. And then I love my fruit juices. I've got pineapple and pink guava juice with water. That sounded delish, so I thought let me pick that up. Our usual apple juice with elderflower. And then I've got smoothie, apple, kiwi, spinach and lime with moringa. Staying healthy. And then for tonight's dinner, we're going to have a stir-fry noodles. So I've got the chicken breasts. And then I've got the egg noodles. And then I've got a sauce to go with it. Probably won't even end up using it. I'll probably just use my soy sauce. And then I've got the stir-fry veg to go with it. And then I got the Mexican style fiesta dips. We've got nacho chili cheese, sour cream and chive, tangy tomato salsa. That sounds yum. I'm gonna have it with these lightly salted tortilla crisps. I love these. And then I just got some fruits. So yeah, that's everything I got today. So I'm just going to pack this away and then find something to eat because I'm starving. So one of the organizations in my life that I want to accomplish is with the fridge. I want to get the fridge drawers. What do you call them? Fridge organizers. I want to get them and actually like put things, you know, in sections just to make it look a bit more neat. So sometime during this week I'll go and pop in to one of the shops and just get some fridge organizers, and then we can just organize the fridge together. Seriously, I do not know where time has gone. It's almost time for me to pick up Jeremiah from nursery and then Janae from school. So I'm just having some lunch. I've heard about Inventing Anna on Netflix, so I thought let me see what it's about and watch it. I didn't really find the beginning interesting, so I'm going to continue watching it later. I'll just put on another movie to watch in the time being, so I'm just watching Netflix for about 30 minutes and then I'm going to go and pick up the kids from school. You know when you feel sick because you haven't eaten in so long? That's how I'm feeling right now. I've made dinner, I'm about to chop in, I'm starving. I'm sure it's going to taste delicious because I make this quite a lot. Thank you guys for following me around today. It's been fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Good night.